Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the enchanting world of gestures that have the power to capture a girl's heart. Often it's the simple things that leave a lasting impact, and I'm here to guide you through these gestures that girls simply cannot resist. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge of how to create a memorable impression through everyday actions. Stick around until the end for a special bonus tip that ties all these gestures together and takes your interactions to the next level. Now let's jump right into it. Number 1. Offer to carry items. Let's kick off our exploration with the timeless gesture of offering to carry items. Imagine that someone, perhaps the woman you're interested in, finds themselves juggling a multitude of belongings, struggling to maintain balance. This is your moment to step in and offer a helping hand. It's more than just a physical act. It's a genuine display of consideration and attentiveness. When you notice a woman navigating the challenge of carrying multiple items, offering assistance is not only courteous, but also reflective of your caring nature. It's crucial, however, to approach this with respect. A simple, "May I help you with that?" allows her the autonomy to accept or decline. Even if she chooses not to accept, the sincerity of your offer leaves a positive impression. This gesture is not about showcasing strength or dominance. It's about expressing your willingness to share the load, both literally and figuratively. By embodying this considerate quality, you not only brighten her day, but also stand out as someone who values the well-being of others. It's a timeless and impactful gesture that goes beyond mere chivalry, creating a lasting positive impression. Number 2, casual compliments. Now let's delve into the enchanting world of casual compliments, a gesture that has the power to brighten anyone's day. Compliments are more than just words. They are expressions of genuine appreciation. Picture this. You notice a specific detail about her. Perhaps it's the stylish jacket she's wearing or how gracefully she handled a challenging situation. Seize that moment to offer a compliment, and remember, it's not about flattery. It's about genuine observation. Keeping it casual yet sincere is the key to making it impactful. For instance, you might say, "I really like your jacket, it's incredibly stylish," or "I'm impressed with how you handled that situation." By keeping the compliment genuine and straightforward, you create a connection that feels personal and heartfelt. This gesture is a bridge between two individuals, a shared moment of positive energy that can resonate deeply. Casual compliments go beyond superficial praise. They tap into the essence of what makes a person unique and valued. Everyone appreciates being noticed for their efforts, style, or the way they navigate life. When you offer a compliment, you're not just acknowledging an external quality. You're affirming the person's intrinsic worth. This makes the recipient feel seen and valued, fostering a subtle yet profound connection. The sincerity behind the compliment serves as a powerful catalyst, opening the door to meaningful interactions. So the next time you find something noteworthy, don't hesitate to express your admiration. A well-placed compliment can create a ripple effect of positivity that lingers long after the words are spoken. Number 3, share a relevant article or meme. Now let's explore a gesture that transcends mere conversation and delves into the realm of shared interests. Sharing a relevant article or meme. Imagine stumbling upon something that aligns perfectly with a previous conversation or a topic she's passionate about. Seizing this opportunity to share it with her, accompanied by a message like, "This made me think of you," or "I remembered you mentioned this," is a thoughtful and personal gesture. It goes beyond mere words and demonstrates that you not only listen but also connect her interests with your world. This gesture creates a bridge between your two worlds, showcasing your attentiveness and consideration. By sharing something that aligns with her interests, you communicate that you value and remember the things she cares about. It's a lighthearted and enjoyable way to show you pay attention to her words and enjoy bringing joy or amusement into her day. The beauty of this gesture lies in its simplicity. A shared article or meme becomes a point of connection, a shared experience that strengthens your bond. It's a small yet impactful way to make her feel special and understood, a testament to the thoughtfulness that underlines the foundation of your connection. Furthermore, sharing a relevant article or meme transcends the boundaries of traditional conversation, injecting humor or insights that resonate with her. It provides a delightful and natural segue into deeper conversations, creating an atmosphere where both of you can explore shared interests more intimately. This thoughtful act subtly communicates that you cherish the uniqueness of her perspectives and enjoy finding ways to bring a smile to her face. In a world filled with constant digital noise, this gesture stands out as a personal and genuine expression of your connection, making her feel valued and appreciated. Number 4, pet interaction. Now let's venture into the delightful realm of pet interaction, a gesture that holds a special place for all the animal lovers out there. If she happens to be accompanied by a furry friend, consider it a golden opportunity to create a connection through shared affection for pets. Approach her and her pet with genuine curiosity, perhaps asking for the pet's name or sharing a compliment about the adorable ball of fur. Initiating conversation through pet interaction is a subtle yet effective way to convey friendliness and consideration. By expressing interest in her pet, you're not only acknowledging a significant part of her life, but also creating a lighthearted and comfortable atmosphere. Talking about pets often brings out the best in people, fostering a more relaxed and engaging conversation. It serves as a delightful bridge between you two, allowing you to explore shared interests and values in a way that feels natural and enjoyable. This gesture is more than just about the pet. It's about finding common ground and establishing a connection through something both of you hold dear. So, next time you spot a friendly companion by her side, seize the opportunity to create a bond that goes beyond words. Number 5. Ask for a minor favor. In the realm of subtle yet impactful gestures, asking for a minor favor emerges as a powerful tool for initiating meaningful conversations. It might seem simple, but the act of requesting a small favor, whether it's borrowing a pen or seeking directions, creates a natural opening for interaction. Approach her with politeness and a genuine smile, asking if she has a pen you could borrow or for guidance on a nearby location. This approach is non-intrusive, showcasing your considerate and appreciative nature. Once she helps you, it's crucial to express your gratitude sincerely and use this moment to initiate a friendly conversation. This interaction sets the tone for positive engagement, demonstrating that you value cooperation and are genuinely appreciative of her assistance. Asking for a minor favor creates a gentle way to break the ice and establish a connection based on kindness and cooperation. People often feel good about helping others, and this gesture provides an opportunity for her to contribute in a small yet meaningful way. It's an effective strategy for creating a positive and memorable first impression, highlighting your thoughtful and considerate qualities. Number 6. Active listening and responding. It's a skill that elevates any interaction, making it more meaningful and genuine. Active listening involves immersing yourself in the conversation, not just hearing the words, but understanding the emotions and intentions behind them. When engaged in conversation, maintain eye contact, nod in acknowledgement, and provide verbal affirmations, showing that you are genuinely interested in what she is saying. Avoid distractions and focus on the conversation at hand, signaling that your attention is fully hers. When it's your turn to respond, reflect on what she has shared. This not only demonstrates your commitment to the dialogue, but also makes her feel respected and valued. Active listening is about more than just waiting for your turn to speak. It's a dynamic exchange where both parties feel heard and understood. Mastering this skill enhances the effectiveness of all the aforementioned gestures. It's a powerful tool in creating connections and building trust. By showing that you're not just present for superficial reasons, but genuinely interested in her as a whole person, you lay the foundation for more meaningful conversations and relationships. The ability to actively listen and respond thoughtfully is a priceless addition to your social skills, setting the stage for interactions that are not just memorable but deeply impactful. There you have it, irresistible gestures that can capture a girl's heart. Now, armed with these insights, take the next step in understanding women or explore seduction skills every man needs to master. If you found this video helpful and interesting, your support through likes, comments, and subscriptions is invaluable. It not only helps the channel grow, but also shapes future content based on your preferences. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy connecting.